How you going, guys? I've just been getting myself set up here, getting ready to make a bit of food. I've got some of my friends smoked cheese. He smokes his own cheddar. So Owen, thanks very much for the cheese, man. I'm going to use it in some pasta with some cream sauce, garlic, courgette, spinach. So should be tasty. Morning, guys. Woke up to something pretty special today. A snow day. My first snow day in the van. I'm not quite sure what condition the road is in back down out of the mountains, so I'm going to walk down the way in a little bit, but before I do that I'm going to make sure I have everything in the van I need in case I do have to stay here. So I know I have some spare diesel for my heater, so that's okay. I'm just going to check the condition of my leisure battery to make sure I can power the diesel, but I brought a spare leisure battery just in case, so I think I should be sorted. Have plenty of food, plenty of water, and I'm sure I can get some wood for the fire. I think I have a little bit there, so I should be alright. But yeah, should be an interesting day, guys. Cheers! I'm like a kid. It's brilliant. Alright guys, how you going? I just jumped inside the van there. Started to get cold outside. I used up the last of last night's firewood. Anything else I could find around was all damp and soggy and useless basically. Made myself some cheapo all-in-one pasta sauce, and I added some of Owen's smoked cheese to it. It's actually doing the job. So look guys, if you made it to the end of the video, congratulations. Thanks very much for joining me, and we'll catch you again soon, alright? Cheers guys.